The OpenShift console, the name of the file. If, for example, the name of the file is username, then what will happen? The name of the file is username. Because under the username only, what we can add it? Sanjay, Vasant, Jai, Kishore. So this username file should be added. We can display it here. That is what we seen yesterday, right?
Yes.
I showed you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And you've seen that by the time the user have a normal privilege. What privilege you have?
Normal privilege.
Normal.
Privilege. Okay. So we can have the secret. Why we going for secret? Sensitive information. And why you go for OAuth? OAuth is a medium to connect, okay, the authentication process. This kind of engine. So what we have done here, we added the name and we added the both. What are things are available here? What are things are available here now? One is about username and other defined password along with the secret. Both are added here. Have you gone through the OAuth steps? I given already, uploaded there, and we done the replace. Okay, so this is what we done. So now you will, if you look into that, okay, if you look here, I just log into that KubeAdmin, right? I just log in now and logged in. You can see the rows you get users. How many users are there? 5 users.
5
So,
users.
so now additionally there 5 users are there. Now your manager is asking one more user you're supposed to add. So how to add it? What's the command to create the user and password?
HT password.
HT password. Can you at least look your printout? Have you took the printout? If you not took the printout, you are the supermost human being. If you not took the printout, you are the supermost human being. I don't know what to say more than that. Okay, you are supposed to take the printout. Then if I teaching with you, right, you can able to take the tick mark. If you not tick mark, if you're not doing that, if you're not following that, I want to say another opposite word, you are the most idiot. So if I given the something, you will take a printout. At least take a printout. So now see your ST password. What is how you entered it? Hyphen C, because we want to go hyphen C. If you do hyphen C, it's a great mistake. You collapse everything. So don't do hyphen C now, because all existing file only we're going to modify it. So what's the existing file? Hyphen capital B, hyphen small b. What's the existing file name? You can see the existing file name.
Username.
Username. What is the username? So and I want to add the some of the username and password. Can you tell me some username?
Developer.
Developer.
Production.
Developer.
Production.
Huh?
Production.
Huh?
Username production.
I want a username. Let's take example John. John is a username, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can give the password for him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The John is added. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
How come
Yes,
you know
sir.
that John is added here? Cat username. You can see John is added now. The file of John. Okay, the file of username. Yes or no? Okay. So Vasant, I want to add Vasant's name as well. Now, Vasanth. Vasant. Check it here. Now, Vasant is added or not?
Yes, sir. It's added.
It's added, right? The question is now, do you have to log in with help of the Vasant? OC,
Login -u
hyphen U, VASALT Vasant, VASALT Vasant,
-p
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you have to log in or not?
login.
Yes, sir.
No.
Login failure. Why?
Login fail. So now you're supposed to fix this. Actually, if you want to add another user, you added only in the what are 4 steps are there? What are 4 steps? You done only the first step.
Created. We just created username password.
To create a secret, authentication, and replace.
Replace.
Then what's the second step? What's the second step, ma?
Secret.
Then
Secret.
Secret. Okay. So, but in the secret we not had it, right? So, what is our secret name? Any idea? How to check the get secret? How to check your secret? எங்க போய் check பண்ணுவீங்க? என்ன command யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க?
OC create secrets.
No.
OC get
check பண்றது எப்படிமா?
OC get secret. Get secret.
OC get
Also
secret.
get a secret.
நான் ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கு. எங்க போய் check பண்ணுவீங்க? SCC. Which where it is loaded? Which folder?
OpenShift authentication.
Fantastic. You can see here what is my name. Actually, the name which is created before. OpenShift secret
right.
Raj. So I need to delete this. OC delete. OC delete. SEC or it is secret / what secret name?
My secret.
Why thorne pesta Vasanta?
Sir, my secret was.
If you open your mouth, you cannot. Bit difficult in the exam. That means in the interview, if you not open the mouth here, it's bit serious and difficult. So up to you. I only guide you what's the method you can follow it. OpenShift
-config.
Configure.
Follow with others as well. At least you try to open your mouth. Please. It's for I'm teaching for you. You are paying for me. I'm teaching for you. Repeat once again. Everyone have some goals to achieve something there in the money. Money is most important. Vasant, why he came here? He's a hardware engineer. He know his friend is already got the job. He's moved to now 8 to 9 lakhs, and he just received 15,000 per month salary. 15,000. What's the salary? 15,000. Now they want to achieve something means they need to know something more advanced things. We can delete this. So what's the command to delete? OC delete secret.
OC delete secret.
Secret name.
And OpenShift config. See here, ma. So we need to create the secret again. What's the command to create the secret?
OC create secret.
Oh, secret.
OC create
Secret.
secret.
Generic.
What type?
Generic.
What name actually you have deleted?
My secret Raj.
My secret. Raj.
This is again we are going to create. Right? So OC create secret generic my secret name. Where is your file is located? From
File.
OpenShift.
HTTP password.
the password equal. What's our password name? Username, right? Where I have showed everything. Where all users are located.
Username.
Okay. Hyphen N
OpenShift.
Guys, you who is joining and keep on answering, right? They are very freshers. Don't think they also more experienced person or they working topmost company. They are just the graduates. So don't think you are over thinking and all. Just try to give the answers. Okay, OpenShift hyphen config. So now what happened? This previously that secret. So I will tell you the actual what sequence is happening here. That will get a clear picture for you. What sequence? Okay, what sequence is happened here? I will tell you. Don't worry. One. Okay, and this is another one. So if you notice here, previously I have some couple of users like Rajini, developer, leader, and which file name? What's the file name? Kya file name here?
Username.
Name. This is there, and this is loaded to the secret. Okay, this is how we existing. It was the existing method. Existing irundachu. This is what existing. Okay, now additionally I added 2 users. What are the 2 users I added here? plus
Vashant,
and
Vasant plus John.
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 2 users I added, right? But these users are not able to log in. Why? Because they are not in the secret. So I deleted the secret again. I deleted the
Secret.
again. I created the secret with this all users. Now we got it. முன்னாடி 4 யூசர் மட்டும் தான் இருந்தாங்க, 4-5 யூசர் தான் இருந்தாங்க. மறுபடியும் நான் 2 யூசர்ஸை கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும் இதை ஃபுல்லாக அட்டாச் பண்ணுறேன். இஃப் யூ அட்டாச் மீன்ஸ் த என்ஜின் வில் ஸ்டார்ட் அகைன் and the process is over. Simple, only 2 steps. If you want to add another one more user means only 2 steps. What are 2 steps, ma?
First you need to delete.
Create and delete. If you try now, you can able to log into the user. இவ்வளவுதான் விஷயமே, இவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். சும்மா மண்டே போட்டுல
So we
குழப்பி
can
விடாத.
edit the file and save that.
அவ்வளவுதான். No, not needed. Not needed. Only one time. First time only is needed. Now see here, Vasanthi is able to log in.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Are you paying attention? Pay attention.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
So only 2 steps. First step is setup. Setup பண்ணிட்டோம். அப்புறம் another time just log in like this. What wrong here? Go through here. Click பண்ணுங்க. Open பண்ணுங்க. Just open it. So if you notice here, leader is there, right? Leader. Okay. What I can do? I can log out. So now what is our username? You can see the username, right? What I added now? Vasant.
Vasant.
Yes, Vasant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Added. Now I can give one more try also. முன்னொரு டைம் சொல்லித்தரேன், தயவு செஞ்சு கத்துக்கோங்க ஒரு விஷயத்தை. So I want to add one more user. What's the command to add the user? Divya, can you open your mouth at least now? How to create the user now? Tell me, ma.
OC create user
OC -ஆ?
HT password.
Command பாருங்க.
இதுல
உங்க பேர் என்ன? What's your name?
HT password.
Divya. What's your
Divya.
name? Divya. Spelling சொல்லுங்க.
DIVYA.
This is correct.
DIVYA.
DIVYA. Correct. Enter. So this user is added. So check now this user is able to log in or not.
Not able to log.
This is what I'm expecting from you. Not able to log in. Why? This user
You
is
not
not
added to
added.
the
Secret is
secret.
not secret.
Login failed and unauthorization. Okay. இப்ப புரியுதா திவ்யா?
புரியுது நான்
என்ன பண்ணணும் நீங்க?
Delete the secret.
Secret.
add this user.
OC delete secret name.
How to delete the secret? This is a command to delete the
OC
secret.
delete secret.
என்ன சொல்லுது? Fault and Vasant cannot
Why?
delete the user. Vasant cannot delete the user.
Why? Because he is not the administrative user.
Yes, fantastic. நாம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா we go log out.
Robert.
நாம அதே மாதிரி we just try to log in with help of this. நாம இந்த login போறோம். I just விட்டுள்ள ஜார்க் இருக்கு, cube admin தான் இருக்கு.
Admin.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you just
OC,
go here.
who am I?
No. OC, you can check that
let's
who is the user. Okay. Okay, let's see here. The user is there. Fine. Now this user can able to get users, and this user can delete this one as well.
Secret.
And again, I
create
create a secret.
secret.
Simple. All done. Now if you log in, it will work out.
OC login. FNU.
No, I not added Divya, right? Divya I not added. Okay. Divya is added. Cat user name. If I check that, it can get no that. Divya is there. Okay. So now I can list the users. OC get users.
User.
Divya is there or not?
Yeah.
No.
Where is Divya?
No.
You said yeah.
Yeah, you're
The
I thought
version,
you're calling
inside
me.
the version.
You have to go here. I need to log in first, then only the user will come up there. And it's not a
User.
You can also log in through the
Sir,
command line,
direct
sir.
command prompt la.
Why you go?
Login
OC login, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. Login successful, sir.
Login successful. So this point is everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Nama yes or no got chat panel bottom மாட்டேன்றீங்க வாய் தோந்து பேச மாட்டேன்றீங்க. How can you can going to learn a lot of things here? Again I'm saying today also one of the senior managers called me. He have 15 years of experience. He called me Vivek. I want to learn concept. I know this next one is going to dominate most of the words. Everyone is calling me, guys. Okay, today also I got 3 calls like that. In those who are not working with 15 years of experience, like manager position, they're calling me. Today I went to Allstate, some of the companies as well. They also called me. Just understand it. What's the importance of this OpenShift? You are reading one of the Red Hat OpenShift most demand in the market. Okay, now you know how to create the users. What's the next concept? Next concept, I want to give the highest privilege to the Divya. If example, OC get users. Divya able to list any users here? No.
No.
No, sir.
We are not able to list any users. OC new project. Okay, test. Divya is able to create any project. Divya is able to create any
Yes.
project. But
Yes.
Divya
Yes,
is
sir.
not able to list the users. Divya is
Yes,
not
sir.
able to
List the users.
list the
List the
users.
users.
Divya is not able to list the nodes.
Notes.
Divya is not able to list the pods. So, but in the project, what project is getting right? That project he can able to list the pods. Okay. So, but she is not able to list the any nodes. Okay. Let's take example. You can check OC get SEC or it is secret. No. So here we can able to say this is a default secret only is coming, but nothing is comes under the cluster level. So
Yes, sir.
we have to give the highest privilege to that particular user. How to give that? How to give that?
Login as a admin.
I just first log in as admin level. Then I go to here. Okay. OC.
Get users.
I want to give the highest privilege to the Divya. So I can select Divya, OC, admin, policy. So this concept, this is called rollback access control. Please make note of it.
Role access. We are giving the administration role.
This concept is called
RBAC.
this is already with you. Have you took the printout?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Fix it.
Yes.
Then make note of it. If you do the tab button in your keyboard, or tab button in your keyboard, you can see that everything will list here. Tab button in keyboard, you can able to see all of available here. Any questions? So now I want to add the privilege to the particular user.
So what is the add SSS to the user SS?
This is secure context consent. This is comes into the 4th chapter.
Okay.
Now we are going to discuss this area.
Okay.
You can remove if you want to add, and if you want to remove, you can use it. You can see it's a from, and this is to. What's the difference? To and from like that. Remove from user, add to user. So now I take add cluster role to user. What's the user name?
Divya.
Yes, sir. Divya, sir.
Divya, DIV. Directly it won't come. Add cluster role to what role we need to assign them. So if you see in the our chapter 3, what role and all available, you can see it here. What roles are there? I can show you. What roles are available?
Okay. Edit.
Edit.
Admin basic user, cluster
Basic
admin,
user.
cluster status, self
Can you check your
provisioner,
printout?
view.
Printout உங்கள்ட்ட இருக்கும். பிரிண்ட் அவுட்டை எடுங்க எடுங்க நான் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு பிரச்சனை இருந்தாலும் சரி. ஐயோ ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சுடா. Okay. Making sometimes problem. Okay. Let's see now. Edit, admin, basic, cluster, status, self professional, and view. So here we need to take something highest privileges, which is highest privilege.
Cluster admin.
Cluster admin.
Cluster admin. So I have to give cluster hyphen admin space Divya. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
For example, Divya, I want to give the edit privilege. Vasant, I want to give some privileges like edit, PASANTH, Vasant. The edit privilege to the Vasant. What? Edit
Privilege.
privilege to the Vasant. What's that clear?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Play the screen. Now shall we go for it?
Sir, can you
out here.
explain the specific functionalities of the roles?
CLUST cluster hyphen admin space Divya. So now what happened here? Divya have what privilege?
Cluster admin.
Cluster admin privilege.
Role.
Okay. How we can check that she has a cluster admin privilege? OC login. OC login. What's the username?
Yeah.
Divya.
Yes, sir.
Translate. Login. You see, you have to list the users, then see how that what privilege.
Admin privilege.
Cluster admin.
So you can check OC, who am I? Who is this?
Divya.
Divya. So Divya able to list the users means what? See how the highest privilege
Admin privilege.
given to them.
Admin privilege. Okay.
If I am able to see others user details means compulsory I should have the highest privilege. The lowest privilege users can't able to see the others information. இப்போ நீங்க இருக்கீங்க, நீங்க போயிட்டு மற்றவங்களோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை பார்க்க முடியாது நார்மல் யூசரால. ஓகேவா? It will restrict everything. The highest privilege user can do that. So what's the command to do this one? OC admin policy.
OC admin
Add
policy.
a policy.
Add cluster.
Something you need to add it. Add group, or I want to remove that particular role to Divya. I want to remove that particular role to Divya. What role? Cluster.
Cluster admin.
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 She can remove by their own. அவளே அவ ரிமூவ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் அவளோட அக்கௌண்ட்ல தான் இருக்கேன், நான் ரிமூவ் பண்றேன். DIVYA Divyaன்னு கொடுக்குறேன். You can see that I'm just giving Divya, and it has me removed. Now Divya cannot able to list the users. Now the problem starts again. You can see here.
We can again log in the admin, sir.
Right. Right. So you got an idea
Yes, sir.
how to work and how to do the privilege. So yeah, at least one command the last half an hour.
Hello.
What's the
Sir?
command name? Last half an hour discussed here.
Hello.
What's the command name which last half an hour discussed here? Any idea?
Related to what?
This is
you
what I'm
from-
discussed for
The
last half
voice
an
is-
hour like this.
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Admin
Voice is-
policy, admin policy. Last half an hour, what I'm discussing mostly.
Adding new
Admin
user,
policy.
adding user, giving privilege.
So those please try to understand it. If I want to add the user, how to add the user, and how to remove the privilege to particular user. Okay, if I want to remove Divya from the account, திவ்யா டோட்டலா ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா இப்போ திவ்யா able to log in now. ஓகேவா? நம்ம ஓசி நீங்க லாகின் திவ்யா கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? லாகின் திவ்யா can able to log in now. No doubt. But I want to remove the Divya completely. How you can do that? How you can do that? எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க? How you going to remove completely?
Login as the admin and then we can remove the Divya.
Login as admin and we need to remove. Where we need to remove this? Under
Admin points.
user name. போயிட்டு delete பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா Divya is removed. Divya is removed from here. Now you can save this. If you give the cat command, do you think Divya is there?
No.
No. So shall I try to log in again? Divya is able to log in. Then what I have to do? Repeat again. என்ன பண்ணணும்? I have to delete the secret and again get the secret. I need to
Delete the secret and again create the secret.
simple. இப்போ திவ்யாவை டோட்டலாக ரிமூவ் பண்றேன். என்னுடைய கிளஸ்டர்ல இருந்து திவ்யா going to remove from a cluster totally. So
Or else we can directly delete the username. So why you need to edit the VI username? Why you need to edit the VI username? We need to directly delete the username. No, so
how
Divya.
you can delete the user? Oh, she delete user.
Has something there is no command that like.
See, even that this is related a secret. If you not removed, right? You can see here. User. Okay. You can see -help command. You can get more idea about it. You can see. Okay. Later I can try to show you later whether it's possible or not. But this is actually we are trying to work on this only. We clean completely that user from this account. Remove that user, and again I delete the secret. How to delete the secret?
OC delete secret name -n OpenShift kubeconfig.
Okay, I deleted that one. We don't have the
Error.
Divya.
Why
Divya
we need to?
Divya don't have that privilege. But we can put that admin. Now we're going to test it. Now I am going to create it. Now you see here OC login. -u Divya -p password 1 2 3 4 5 6. So they're not able to log in here.
Login.
Login. Why? Maybe it takes some time, but you can try later otherwise. If it is not able to log in, or if you want to delete it, then we can try to delete the user. OC delete user DIV over there.
Error from correct page.
Divya can delete API, the cluster scope.
We need to remove the cluster admin policy.
No, I log in as Divya again. That's a problem. Hold on.
So again we need to log in now. But we need to check.
Normal user, I put login as a normal user. Then I can delete the Divya.
Yes.
Divya is
OC delete user Divya.
okay. I deleted the user Divya.
Now we can try the login.
So now we can try to log in again.
Unauthorized. Yes.
So shall I can give history of commands here. Just you can note it down. What are commands you feel difficult? What are commands you want to discuss? You can note it down here. Now things are good. Everyone have understand the at least complete idea what going here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we are discussing on role-based access control. The command already given here. This is the syntax, cluster role. And you have to give the cluster role and you have to give the username. So you can see that here how you can add it. The commands what add cluster role to user, what it is, everything given here. But very interesting thing you ought to know means what are default roles are available. What are the
Default roles.
default roles are available? Interview question compulsory they ask you what is difference between the admin and cluster admin.
Can you define the functionalities, sir?
Yes, they will ask you three questions. They will ask you admin, cluster admin, and self-professional. You can answer is available here itself. Can you read out what's the answer for admin?
Users with this role can manage all the project resources, including the granting access to the other users to access the project.
Okay. What is a cluster admin?
Cluster admin users with the role have the super user access to the cluster resources. These users can perform any action on the cluster and have full control of all projects.
That means that is particular to one project only, but it is related to entire cluster, right?
Entire.
Exactly. And now that's what the question will be raised for these areas. You bit confused, right? That's what. So you can ask you again. They will ask you this area. Self-professional. Tell me.
Users with this role can create new project. This is a cluster role, not a project role.
Okay. So these are the three areas. May you can get the question. So now I'm going to create one interesting thing for you. So that is, I'm going to create here. I showed you how to remove the privilege. How to remove the privilege, how to add. All of one thing is enough for you. The same all repeated here. But what you have to additionally have to know it here inside the group. One group. So OC get groups. Okay, if you note here, under the production group, Rajini and leader both are available. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So example,
Yes, sir.
let's note here. Let's I have one user. User 1, user 2, and user 3. These all users I want to place into one group. I just group them. The group them is called OCP. What is the group called?
OCP,
OCP. OCP means
OpenShift
OpenShift
Container Platform.
Are you noting down? Interview sometimes ask you, have you know OCP? You may know OCP. Vivek teaches only OpenShift. I don't know OCP. Don't say the word. OCP is equal to the
OpenShift
OpenShift container platform.
platform.
So these three users I want to add into the one group called OCP. For the group I can give the edit privilege. What privilege I have to give? Edit பண்ணக்கூடிய அதிகாரத்தை எடிட் பண்ணக்கூடிய privilege அதிகாரத்தை நான் கொடுக்க வேண்டும். So user 1, user 2, user 3. Okay, for example, we have take Vasant. Example, we have take John. Example, we have take Divya. So all these three users should be added into the one group called OCP. So first I need to create the group OCP. Then under that group I need to add one after one all the users. Then we can check get groups and assign privilege for those users. Shall I show you one after one?
Yes, sir.
So how to create the new group? The command is already available with you. You can check it as well. OC admin. OC admin. Administrator command. Admin means what? Administrator. OC admin groups. What is the name of the group?
OCP.
OCP. You can check OC get groups. You can see under OCP any user is there. யாராவது இருக்காங்களா இந்த OCP user group கீழ? யாரும் இல்ல. We not assign anyone else. Okay, then now you can create. I can assign the users. What are the users to that? Example, I want to add users in which group? OCP,
OCP.
VASA, and
Awesome.
PH person.
You can add the multiple users at a time.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir.
yeah. John,
Yes.
Divya.
Yes.
So if you see your OC get groups, what happened?
Three group is there.
Three users are added to the group.
Three users is there.
Are noting down? I want you to note down everyone.
Ask him to go take a bath.
But user Divya we already deleted.
Tell me, ma.
You deleted the user Divya Maso. Why it is added to is there?
Divya, it is in the group, right? It is even we can add the users one more time. The group we can do that. That's what I'm trying to show you. Even
Without
there's no
creating
users
the
here. Huh?
sir, without creating username, you can add the directly to user to the group.
Yes, possible. Divya is not in the file. If example,
Let
again
us
I
try
can
another
add
name. Sir, let us try.
I can create another one. I can create one more Divya, and Divya who is I create that. Divya have that privilege means Divya have all those things. But still I not given any privilege or any privilege to this any group. So if you want to give the privilege to that group, you can follow this command. Already available with you. So this is the command. This command called
Add role to the group.
OC admin add role to the group. What role?
What's the
Edit roles.
Edit role. What's to whom? Which group?
OCP?
OCP group.
Simple. So now what I done here? You can take history of commands here, please. Please make note of it. So any questions here as of now? All looks good. So I can repeat once again. I can repeat once again. Don't worry. So what are things we have done? Step 1, step 2, step 2, step 3, step 4 steps is done, and we replaced it. And the user, what we have created the user, like OC get users. So we can list all the users, but this user should have the normal privilege. User should have the normal privilege. So I have to give that privilege to that particular user. Then if I go for that one, நான் என்ன கொடுக்க வேண்டும் அந்த கமாண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க OC
admin policy.
Don't forget it. Now, this is such a powerful command. Powerful command for the users. RBAC. In interview, they will ask you what your daily activities. I work on user management or bad. Privileges கொடுக்கலாம், privileges எடுக்கலாம். We have the complete power. So, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear, right?
Sir, what's the archive, sir?
Oh, now who is that? Who is that, my dear? I already mentioned to you, and also in the book, role-based access control. You have to see that?
Yes, sir.
So what steps are given to you? At least steps are given you. How you are creating the sensitive information, generic, and how you create the OAuth, and how you can going to replace and the project. Yeah. Yes or no? Clear, Amma?
Yes, sir. Yes.
With last command, can you explain once again? OC policy edit, OCP edit.
Tell me what?
The last command, OC policy edit.
OC admin policy. You can see the OC admin policy is used to create that one, and another one used OC policy alone. It won't come admin.
Okay. But here we are not given ADM, right? OC policy and only edit we are given.
See, administration command is used to create the users and create the groups. Okay.
Okay.
But for adding something additional roles, they are not assigned the admin privilege for that. See here, add group. New OCP is a group. We can have admin privilege there.
Okay.
Add users. Okay, particular user to another group, their admin will be there. But here there is no admin for that.
But last command we used OC ADM policy, add role to user Divya.
Where it is?
But here we are giving only OC policy and we are given OCP edit.
OCP edit. No. Listen carefully. What
That is user or edit group, right, sir?
Wait, I take history of commands. Tell me which command you're talking about now.
OC ADM.
No, number you tell me. 10,046, 10,045. What is the number?
10,046 and 10,044 you are asking.
This is 46
And 44.
and 44.
Why you haven't added ADM to the group edit policies? He's asking.
No. Okay. Is this correct, my dear? Is it correct?
Yeah, OC ADM group add users to OCP Divya.
No. Let's see here. Divya is one of the user, and the group is called OCP. Okay. And OC admin group add user. Which user? Divya. Which group? To OCP.
OCP.
But added to the group, and that user as still we not give the any privilege. அதிகாரம் கொடுக்கப்படவில்லை. We haven't given any kind of sophisticated power to that particular user. Privilege. The superpower, normal user, super user, sophisticated user, or any kind of edit user, read user, some privilege will be there. So I assign with the help of policy add role to group edit OCP. So because I'm not assigning
Okay, you are giving only the edit policy to OCP group.
Yes. OCP
means-
group, who and all there?
All three users can have edit rights, right?
Divya, John, awesome. All have what privilege?
Edit privilege.
Edit privilege. Divya.
Edit.
Things are clear?
Yes, sir.
So what command we can use it? If example I want additional one more power to those team. I want to give more advanced privilege also. I want to give cluster admin.
Cluster admin.
Yes. Yes, sir. Whatever.
Added.
Whoever users
Cluster.
are the those everyone have the cluster admin privilege. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Example, you login as John. I say I can login, I can you.
John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
John is logged in. And you can check the OC get users. So this user, you can see that John cannot list out. Okay, we not only added in the group, we can add also here. Let's see here. Because we have given two users, edit and as well as. If we remove the edit, then again we can give only the cluster admin. That also we can check it like that. So what I'm trying to say? Because in the group two power we given. How many powers are given to that OCP group?
Two, sir.
Two,
Edit and
edit.
Two power. One power is edit power. Another one
cluster.
cluster admin. Okay. So like that we are given. Okay. Okay.
But cluster admin is having the right to display users, right? I think. Also get users.
Yeah.
But why he is not able to
They
display?
can able to display the
John?
users. Why not able to display means? So
It's not
for all the two
No, sir.
users, it is blocking. Actually, one is blocking. Lowest power is blocking here. Let's see here. We have the edit and
Cluster admin.
admin. Both privileges are given to the three users through
Yes.
the group, OCP group, and from the OCP group only all three users are connected, right? So all are normal users only. John is a normal user, and Vasant is a normal user, and Divya is a normal user. So we given the edit privilege. So edit is there, right? Maybe that is blocking. Okay. Let me try that in another way. நம்ம வேற மாதிரி ட்ரை பண்ணுவோம். How we can try that? OC. Policy.
Add role to remove role.
Remove
Role to group.
role
From group.
What group we want to remove?
Edit OCP group. Edit.
Edit, right? So what happened for the edit group has to be removed from that particular OCP. Then they have what only privilege? What privilege only they have?
Cluster admin.
Cluster admin. Let me try that. No problem. If it is not working, then we can go in that way only. OC get users. So it is not worked out. So not only group should have that, we have to give in the main users also. We give an assign to them, but it is not worked out here. So let you can log into that powerful username and go to here. And what's how to give the privilege? Admin, policy, add, cluster,
role to user. Cluster admin.
To which user?
John.
Now I can log in. So we need to assign there as well. Okay, let's see here. Now you can get the users. Yes. So this area, this is what they have mentioned. So we need to give the privilege to there as well, and after that only you can add in the group. So we not give any privilege to that particular user. So if example you are saying that edit privilege, I need to get it privilege to all the users before all the users. Example, John is there. John, I need to give edit privilege first, like this. Okay, I remove the cluster admin. What is in cluster admin? I removed it and mentioned edit. And Divya, I remove the cluster admin and I have to give edit. So then we can all under one circle, one group. Then it's to be done easy. Okay, guys. So we have discussed some couple of chapters here. Okay, so what are chapters we have discussed? First chapter is about architecture. Second chapter is about health of the cluster. Okay, third chapter is about user management.
User management.
Management. So what are the important architectures? Master and worker. Can you tell me what are the components available in the architecture? API? Guys,
ETCD.
ETCD.
English for you, not for me.
ETCD, sir.
ETCD.
ETCD,
Control manager.
Control manager.
Control
scheduler,
Scheduler.
Control manager.
Scheduler. What are
scheduler,
services? What are services?
cluster IP,
Cluster IP, DNS.
Kubelet
Cube
plus
and Trios.
cluster IP,
Cryo plus
Trios.
Cryo plus. What's another one? Cube proxy.
kubelet, kubeproxy,
Kubelet.
proxy.
Kubelet is this is kubelet. This is Cryo. This is services. Working master worker as well. Okay. This concept is clear. Chapter 1 is uploaded. Please take the printout and go through it. So health of the cluster. How to check the health of the cluster? What are the commands? Can you tell me? OC, get
Get cluster.
nodes.
Get node.
OC, get
Get pod.
pods.
Pods.
Okay, we have to use LED concept. What's my LED?
Log event is
Logs,
Log event.
events,
Describe.
describe.
But apart from that, very powerful command you have to help for that one is what's the command here? OC, admin,
Top
OC admin top
Nodes.
node.
node.
OC admin top pods.
OC admin top pods.
Pods.
What's the top command? To show you the
To check
CPU
CPU and memory limits, sir.
memory. Okay. So now come to the user management. User management, what are the things you have covered here? How to get the users. How to
Users,
get the
sir.
users. ASCII password followed by secret. Secret we have to know about GST. So this chapter, fourth chapter, I'm going to discuss about the TLS. Secret. What's the next one?
Or
OAuth. Next one.
replace.
Replace. And what's the next one? RBAC.
Or role based access control.
Next one. RBAC. So things can take the notes for before jumping to next chapter.
Okay, Vivek, can we add that AD on-prem users here in Red Hat? Integrate?
Tell me. Can
So on-prem AD users, can we integrate in Red Hat?
Oh, I'm not getting your point, my friend.
Okay, so on-prem, that normal
On-prem.
company login accounts, yeah.
On premises.
AD accounts, yes.
Okay,
AD
AD
accounts,
account.
can we integrate? Yeah.
AD account you can integrate. Why not? So for that, I will tell you what you're supposed to do here. Okay, November, December. Okay, play the screen. Have you noted down? Please confirm that. Then I can answer the question what he raised to me.
Yes, sir.
All are clear, right? So as of now, this chapter, Sarita, now you gotten confident before
Yes,
the
sir,
first
yes,
day,
sir.
and now you got confident or not? Day by day,
Yes, sir.
you are following the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing, right?
Yeah.
Divya, you also discussed with me, so I have not. How do you feel it? Are you got the confident now?
Yeah, sir, little bit I have problem.
Which area? You tell me.
Sir, yet I didn't practice in my laptop. That's
Okay.
why.
Okay, that what
If
I'm
I-
delivering, you are able to understand it. You are able to follow with me.
Yeah, I'm understanding.
Okay, fine. Now I clear the screen. So you can ask her the question AD concept. Okay, just go to here. Control T. Okay, AD means like an LDAP. Okay, LDAP. LDAP OAuth integration. OAuth integration. OpenShift. We give OpenShift. plus medium.com. Please make note down, all the things are available in the medium.com for your reference. This is what is asking. LDAP, AD integrations and all. You can see it here. You can see the windows, we have that, right? AD. What, Gnanavel? Am I right?
Oh, yes.
You can see this. This is very AD. So you can Active Directory. Active Directory may 1 lakh employees are there. And the 1 lakh employees, all the user details are loaded in the Active Directory. Okay, so here are you can see. So general and what users and username and password followed by, you need to add those users in which area. In OAuth file, in the OAuth file we added, right, HT password, right? What added? HT password. You can go to here, cat OAuth file. The OAuth file, you can see it here. What's identity provider? They are using that. We need to remove this one, and we need to replace if you are going to use the AD and HT password. I use this URL. Sometimes interview they will ask you, means you can manage it like this. So I can share in the chat window because we have LDAP server. Then only it can be worked out. We don't have LDAP server. I shared in the chat window. Please find the link here.
Okay.
So with the screenshot they are given here. With the screenshot, I am also following. Sometimes the customer issue is coming, means I can follow like this. Okay, Gnanavel, I answered your question.
Oh, yes. Wait.
Okay, followed by, okay, man. Next, the important thing, I just give the outline of the next chapter to understand it. Okay, this is such a wonderful chapter here. I can show you some error and how to fix it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to show you some set of errors. Image pull back off. Image inspect error. I showed you the one of the error thing in the WhatsApp group. Have you got the picture, ma? I already shared with you, right? Have you got it or not?
Yes.
Yes. Please go through that one and open it and tell me. Have you got it, ma? Or shall I send you one more time? Evening batch. You guys all received with me, but you are simply quitted. This is what. Can I check your WhatsApp, everyone?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Vivek,
What
we got
errors
it.
are there? You
We
can
got
use
it.
crash back off.
Crash loop. Yes, sir.
Crash loop.
This is most of the interviews they will ask you this question, ma. If this question is not asking me, you tell me, Vivek, what you are trying to me like that. So every interview they will ask you this question and they will ask you how to fix this as well. Okay. So tomorrow we going to discuss those in detail. This is a big topic. It is not easy. It's a big topic and big number of chapters are there, number of hours we need to work together to complete this. Okay. So tomorrow